Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about xtrendspeed.com, a website that markets itself as a forex and crypto trading platform where users can trade currencies, indices, commodities, and digital assets with tools and real-time analytics. It looks polished and professional, and some people online call it a user-friendly trading app with bonuses and fast execution, which can make it seem like a good choice for beginners or intermediate traders. But here's the truth. There's major controversy and red flags surrounding this site. Independent watchdogs and multiple scam intelligence sources report that Xtrend Speed lacks verified regulation from reputable authorities, and many user complaints describe withdrawal problems, blocked accounts, constant requests for more verification or deposits, and money that never comes out. Reports from traders include scenarios where profits disappear, verification keeps being asked, or communication stops once money is deposited, all classic indicators of scam operations rather than legitimate brokers. So is xtrendspeed.com legit or a scam? The safest approach is to treat this platform with extreme caution. While some users post positive reviews, those can be fake, incentivized, or isolated experiences and don't outweigh the number of verified complaints about withdrawal issues, unverifiable regulation, and dishonest practices. If you're thinking about trading, stick to platforms that are clearly regulated by authorities like the FCA, SEC, or SISEC, and never risk money you can't afford to lose on sites with mixed or suspicious reputations.